This is for you guys. This is not for me at this point.
Welcome to Burning Questions. I'm Charlie, condition monitoring engineer with Asset Watch, a vibration analyst. Here's the show where we tackle the questions everyone's thinking about reliability, but don't ask out loud. First burning question we have is reactive versus predictive maintenance. Which one burns more? We're going to start with the least spicy of our sauces, which is a Louisiana Cajun hot sauce.
I'll take the first stab. I would say probably 50% of the industry is still reactive in nature, but the other half that are adopting predictive technologies, they give themselves more time. It's not a fix-all by throwing sensors and having the data. You'll be able to use it, but you definitely, the more predictive you are, the more time you have to actually plan ahead and avoid downtime.
Yeah, and kind of speaking to what you just said there, having more time to plan is the biggest benefit because at the end of the day, time is the only commodity, right? So you have to have scheduling, execution, and obviously planning in place. If you're firefighting, which I imagine I'm going to start doing right now with this wing, you're not going to be in a good spot. So reactive maintenance is not a good place to be in. It's actually not bad.
I couldn't have predicted that taste better myself. That must be the Asset Watch hot sauce because it's the best.
So how does predicting save you time and money if you can plan it out versus waiting for it to fail?
So think about it as there's multiple layers to what downtime costs, right? Just the pure asset cost itself and letting it fail, whereas having some sort of condition monitoring does allow you to see early stage faults. You can make cheaper repairs earlier that helps increase the asset's life. And also if you think about an unplanned failure, it's not just the replacement cost, it's the production loss, upstream, downstream effect of other pieces of manufacturing equipment that can't help with your continued throughput, late deliveries, expedited shipping, manpower, overtime, overhead, all the things that come into effect when you stop a process that is supposed to be continuous.
You guys ready for the next one?
Yeah, let's give it a try. Sriracha. It's got a little bit of a delayed reaction. If you delay your maintenance, it starts to get hotter. Yeah, bearing's heating up.